Welcome back to Mr. Byte and Timmy channel. Today we're answering one of the biggest questions in IT. How does the internet actually work?
I use the internet every single day. I watch YouTube, play games, search on Google. But if I'm honest, I have absolutely no idea how any of it actually works.
Don't worry, Timmy. By the end of this video, you'll understand what happens from the moment you search for something until the answer appears on your screen.
So, what actually is the internet? Is it just one giant computer somewhere?
That's a common misconception. The internet isn't one giant computer. It is a massive network made up of billions of connected devices. Devices like phones, laptops, routers, and servers connect together to form the internet.
So my computer is basically talking to computers on the other side of the planet?
Exactly. But before your computer can communicate with another computer, it needs a way to find the correct destination.
Okay, let's say I search. Why do cats knock things off tables?
That's surprisingly realistic. When your device needs information from the internet, your browser starts a journey.
Wait, doesn't my computer already know where Google is?
Not exactly. Humans use names like google.com, but computers use numbers called IP addresses to identify destinations.
So how does it turn a name into numbers?
When your device needs to find a website, it may ask DNS to translate the website name into an IP address. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of it like your phone's contact list. You tap mom instead of remembering a long phone number. DNS does something similar for websites.
So DNS is basically the internet's contacts app?
That's actually a perfect way to think about it.
Good, because I still forget some of my own phone contacts.
Once DNS gives your device the IP address of Google's systems, your computer knows where to send the request. Think of an IP address like a house address. If you don't know the address, the delivery can't arrive.
So typing google.com is like writing someone's name, but the delivery driver still needs the street address.
Exactly.
Okay, so where does my request go first?
First, it goes to your Wi-Fi router. The router acts like the traffic manager in your home. It knows which devices belong to your network and sends your request out toward the internet.
So my router is basically the front door of my house.
That's a great analogy. Next, your request reaches your internet service provider, or ISP. Your ISP connects your home to the rest of the internet. Without an ISP, your router wouldn't have anywhere to send your request.
So my ISP is like the road connecting my house to the rest of the world.
Exactly. Your request doesn't travel directly to Google. It may pass through many different networks and routers before reaching Google's systems. Each router looks at the destination and decides where to send the data next.
So my search could travel through different countries before reaching Google.
Sometimes, yes. And the amazing part is, it can happen in a fraction of a second.
Wait, is my entire search sent across the internet as one huge message?
Actually, no. Data is broken into tiny pieces called packets. These packets travel across networks and are put back together when they reach their destination.
So the internet is basically sending puzzle pieces around the world.
Pretty much. Luckily, the internet is much better at keeping track of pieces than most people are with real puzzles.
Fair enough, but how do all these different devices know how to communicate? My computer and Google's computers aren't even made by the same company.
Great question. They follow the same set of rules called protocols. Think of protocols like traffic rules. Without them, every computer would be speaking a different language.
So protocols are basically the rules of internet communication.
Exactly. Some of the most important protocols are TCP and IP. IP helps data find the correct destination using IP addresses. TCP helps make sure the data arrives correctly and puts everything back together in the right order.
So IP finds where the data needs to go, and TCP makes sure everything arrives properly.
Exactly. Together, they help billions of devices communicate every day. Eventually, your request reaches Google's infrastructure. This includes huge data centers filled with thousands of powerful servers. These servers process your request and find the information you are looking for.
So, somewhere, one of those servers is answering my weird cat question.
Probably thousands of them every day.
But, couldn't someone just read everything while it's traveling across the internet?
Thankfully, most websites today use HTTPS. HTTPS creates an encrypted connection between your browser and the website. It helps protect the information being exchanged.
So people might see the package, but not what's inside.
Exactly. After Google finds the results, the response travels back through networks. It reaches your ISP, your router, and finally your device. Then the answer appears on your screen.
So everything we just talked about happens in less than a second.
For many everyday actions, yes. Billions of devices do this every single day.
I honestly never realized so much happened just from clicking search.
And this is only the beginning. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into topics like DNS, IP addresses, HTTP, STCP, IP packets, and much more.
What should I learn next?
Let us know in the comments. Your suggestion might become our next video.
Thank you for watching the video.
If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to learn more about IT together with Timmy.